Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Candy Central, also known as Walgreens, and we are about to get into this week's deals. So I'm going to do a few different deals today, but I want to be in and out of here pretty quickly, so we're going to keep it moving. So let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you guys about is some clearance. So these summer items have dropped to 75% off. So definitely check your store for clearance items in the seasonal section. A lot of those summer items, like you see these Juicy Juice freezer pops and these Italian ices, are marked down. So both of those are marked down to just 89 cents. You're also going to see a lot of markdowns for items like this. So like these cutter sprays that are normally $5.99 are now $1.79. I'm going to keep on waiting for these to drop and see what I can find once it hits 90%. So for my first deal this week, I actually placed an online order, and I'm glad that I didn't place my big deal as an online order because as usual, there was a delay with my order. So I'm actually in store. I just told them I'm going to pull it myself and take it over there for them to scan out. The first thing I wanted to grab was these Hershey's snack size bags. So these are regular price $4.99. But this week they're on a special where they're actually marked down to $1.99. We got $1 off of 2 store coupon, and we also have $1 off of 2 digital coupon. So what I'm doing is picking up 2 bags that totals up to $3.98. I'm going to use my $2 in coupon savings, and that will make these big bags just 99 cents a piece. To finish off my online order, I'm grabbing 3 of these double packs of toothbrushes. So these double packs are normally $7.79. This week, they are on sale for just $3. I have 2 digital coupons I'm using, my $2 coupon that wouldn't come off last week, and my $3 off of 2. That's going to leave me to pay just $4 at the register, but then get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making all 3 of these babies free, plus a $1 moneymaker. So this next item, when I was checking out my online order myself, I thought that I could not find it, but it was actually right here all along. So I'm gonna have to go back and get it separately. But these Airheads filled ropes are $1.49, and then when you buy one, it's giving back $1.49 register reward, and we have a $1 Ibotta rebate. So that's making these free plus a $1 moneymaker. So I wanted to add it into my online purchase. And look at this, y'all. It was just hiding. It just wasn't in a good position. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple transactions with these so we can make a little money. All right, you guys, so before I move on to my bigger deal, let me show you how this worked out. So on my first online pickup order, I just picked up the 2 Hershey's and the 3 toothbrushes. Here's a close-up of my receipt. So there is the Hershey's coupon, and then there is the $5 for the Oral-B. That's the 3 and the 2 that they put together. And so after that, my subtotal came up to $5.98. I did redeem $5 in Walgreens cash to pay for that, and I paid the 98 cents plus tax out of pocket, and then I did get back the $5 in rewards for the toothbrushes. So that made that just a 98-cent transaction for all 5 items. Then I did this moneymaker twice on the Airhead. So these are $1.49, and then you get back $1.49 in register rewards for picking up 1, which makes them already free. But then I submitted back to Ibotta, and I had a total of 3 different rebates that came back for the Airheads, making this $1.15 moneymaker. So I did that twice. So we made over $2 with the Airheads that have completely paid for these items over here. So now I have these items. I want to go ahead and do a bigger deal with a point booster that I have for spend 25, get back 6. So we're going to walk through the store and do a couple more deals. And before I move on, something else I thought was pretty nice is because I had to pull this order myself, the supervisor who is working on duty did give me $5 in Walgreens cash as payment for my work. So I thought that was nice. That put us up another $5. So the Tide and Downy products are not giving back any registered rewards or Walgreens cash this week, but they are on sale, buy 3 get 1 free at $4.49. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 4 of them this week. I'm going to grab 1 of these Tide Pods. I'm going to be using a $2 coupon. I'm going to get 2 bottles of the Tide liquid, and I'm also going to get a Downy. All right, you guys, so this is my complete laundry deal. This totals up to $13.47 because these are $4.49, and then one of the items is going to be free. I'm going to use a total of $6 in coupons. If you need to, you can also use the printable coupons from the P&G website for this deal to kind of switch it up if you need to use one of each coupon. That's going to bring my out-of-pocket cost to $7.47, which makes these $1.86 each, which I think is a really good deal. But they're going to be even cheaper because we are adding them into our spend deal. The next deal on my list is on the Softsoap. So these are $1.96 and they're buy one, get one 50% off. So we're going to grab the small bottles. That'll total us up to $5.96. We have a 75-cent digital coupon and we're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash for picking up 4. That's going to make our final cost $1.21 or 30 cents a bottle. All right, you guys, so here is my complete spend transaction, spend 25, get back 6. I am also going to use a paper booster for spend 25, earn 7. That expired on yesterday, but it's a day pass, so I think it'll still work. So these are going to be $28 before my coupons, and then for coupons, I'm going to be using the 75-cent digital for the soft soap, plus my 2 register rewards from the Airheads. I have 3 paper coupons for the Tide products, and then I have 3 paper coupons for the Oral-B and Crest products. After that, my total is going to be about $12.70. I am going to need to pay about $10 out of pocket in order to get all of my points back. So I'm going to use only $2 in Walgreens cash. Because I have a paper booster involved, I am going to pay in the app. So I'm going to open up my app when it's time to pay, and I'm going to use a couple dollars in Walgreens cash, and then I'll pay the $10 in cash out of pocket, and then let's see everything that I get back. And there's 2 deals that I forgot to share this week while I was in store. So the first one is this buy one, get 2 free deal on the Walgreens brand bag. So this is a great deal. I love to stock up on these. 3 for $2.79. And then also the Colgate is also free this week. So these are on sale $2.99. You want to pick up 1 toothpaste and 1 toothbrush, and you can use the $2 digital coupons on each one of them. You will pay $2 out of pocket. You can use Walgreens cash to pay. Then you'll get back $2 in Walgreens cash, making them absolutely free. All right, you guys. So this is my complete Walgreens haul for today. Y'all, this second transaction worked out so beautifully. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So here's my receipt for this second transaction. There is our soft soap, there is our Tide and Downy, there is our Oral-B and Crest products. So here are all of the manufacturer coupons that we used. Everything scanned successfully. I used those 2 register rewards from the Airheads and the soft soap digital coupon. That brought my subtotal down to $11.95. I did redeem $2 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the $9.95 plus tax out of pocket. So when I redeemed in the app to redeem that $2 and pay with the app so that I could use that paper booster up here to get that additional $7, and that did work, expired by the way. Y'all, that was such a slow process. It was so slow. But after everything went through, as you can see, we did earn back $22.26 in this deal. So we earned back $22 in this transaction after spending out $11.95. So with the second transaction, if I did not have those register rewards, I would have paid $14.93 out of pocket and then got back the $22.26. So it would have been over a $7 moneymaker. Because I did have those register rewards, it made it about a $10 moneymaker. So you can factor those in or factor those out depending on how you do your math. Because I already counted those register rewards as a moneymaker in the first transaction, I'm going to factor them out, and I'm going to say that that transaction was a $7 moneymaker. So my online order was a cost of about a dollar. With the airheads, we made about $2.30. And here we just made about $7 and some change out of pocket. So the final tally today for all of our shopping is all of these items were not only free, but they were about an $8 moneymaker. And I think that is pretty good for the items that we got. So let me know if you have any questions. Check down below for written breakdowns of all of today's deals. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.